If you want to learn how to rig a VTuber model, I'm giving away this free file on my Ko-Fi and teaching people who don't know anything about art or animation how to rig their first model. You don't need any experience to get started, as all 13 levels cover everything from downloading Live 2D to exporting your first model, and potentially even setting up your website and landing your first commission. Each lesson has a set of objectives and quests for you to complete, and I started each lesson with a video guide to walk you through everything from start to finish. I also included study files for you to download and use so that you can understand the concepts as well as compare your work to mine. It's understandable if you think that learning to rig is super hard. There's a reason why VTuber models are so expensive. When I first started 4 years ago, I didn't really know where to start, and a lot of the time I didn't even know how to improve. So I wanted to create something that was easy to follow, covered the basics, but also didn't hold back in letting me make a model look good. So the solution to this was this class. It started as a 6-hour video series where I taught people how to rig, and through a lot of revision and feedback, we turned it into an intuitive and easy to digest method here on my website. I'm also giving away level 1 completely for free because I want you to understand how easy it is to actually learn Live 2D. This way you can see if you actually like the process, and from there you can continue when you want to learn more. It's the best way I know to actually help you learn, because if you learn best by video, reading text, or breaking apart study files to learn yourself, I hope that this class has a learning method that suits you. You'll also get a role in the Discord if you need one-on-one help from myself or any of the guild members to help you rig your first model. Version 1.0 of the class, which teaches you everything you need for a full body model, drops on March 14th at 3 p.m. Eastern. Once you enroll, you'll get full lifetime access to all future updates and additions. And that includes the 2.0 version, where I teach you exactly how I run my commission business and how I make a living from making VTuber models. I've included a lot of business techniques and exercises that I learned during my business degree to help you start and launch your business. So if you're finally ready to learn how to rig your first VTuber model, then check out the links in the description, hit the enroll button, and I'll see you in the first lesson.